Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, we had Liberation Day. Do you feel liberated? First of all, people tell me if we have quality sound and if we have image. Okay, thank you, Bukur. So you don't feel liberated yet? Well, maybe next year. Okay, let's go on Bitcoin. We have some nice things to talk about today. So, overall, on daily, well, not too many things changed. Well, we bounced, tried to take the highs here, then back down at the original place. Overall, I consider that green is still possible, blue is still possible. We didn't do anything else than to pump and dump back down yesterday. Yeah. If we look on 4-hour chart on the other template on Bitstamp, you'll see something nice, something really nice here. You remember this tail here? We discussed it yesterday and we said, well, it's on Bitstamp. Some people said, well, it's because we have low liquidity. Maybe. Well, I said that it's probably because it's on spot and that someone sold yesterday. Yeah? And you can see if we take this candle only, we retraced 60% of the candle. Yeah? Back down here. Only this candle. So next time when you see something like this, something ugly, a weak, a tail like this, keep in mind that the market will retest that one, most probably. Now, let's go back on daily chart and let's see what we have. Okay. Now, on daily, nothing special, nothing we can do. RSI still below 50 line. OBV trying to make some W's, but no, nothing special. I don't see what we can do on daily. We should wait to see what will happen. Will drop lower? Possible, probable. We can attack the highs? Well, if we'll accept above 89, maybe. But I don't see it. At least not for the moment. Ethereum on daily, weak as fuck. Let's be clear about Ethereum. Weak. We have good location, a really nice one. But give me a daily W, give me something. We had an attempt here that produced a 1-to-1 and that's it. As fast as we hit the first resistance, down. Good location, don't kid yourself, is not too short here. Yeah? Below 1,000, below $2,000 is not a good idea to short Ethereum. At least in my humble opinion. I'm dollar cost averaging below 2,000. And the longer will stay, the better for me. Simple as that. For a potential long setup on daily, we need a W. A clear W. We can form one here? Yeah, possible. But we don't have anything yet. Indicators, nothing special. You can see OBV is making lower lows, which is not the best sign. I see some bullish divergence on RSI. Now you can see one here confirmed, second one attempting. But it's not enough. Okay, let's say I could work with this bullish divergence because it's confirmed. I have a good location. I have divergence. I have two reasons. Okay, now give me a fucking W. Yeah? So if I'll get a W, I could attempt a long. Until then, no. I'm okay with dollar cost averaging on spot or let's call it investment. Yeah? Slow and steady. Ethereum versus Bitcoin in the blue area where we should love to buy some Ethereum with Bitcoin. If you have Bitcoin, you should love to buy some Ethereum with it. How low? We can push lower? Yes. It's a good area to slowly buy Ethereum? Yes. look at weekly. I'll show it to you again. Maybe I'll need to show you a couple of months. I don't know how much, but look at the blue area. Look what happened when we touch this level. That doesn't mean we'll bounce immediately, but it's a good area to think long. Back on daily. Bitcoin dominance, because we talked about Bitcoin dominance multiple times. Let's do it again. I'm waiting for an EM here, even on daily. But until we'll have an EM on daily, we can think about an EM on 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, still no EM. We pushed here almost to touch my alarm at 63, not yet. I'm waiting something like this. EM, breakdown, retest, and that will tell me, well, look at me. How I'm gathering a lot of altcoins, I'm hunting, I'm aggressive on the long side on altcoins. Until then, well, selective, fewer trades, quality ones. I'm not telling the market what to do. I'm just adapting to the market. Okay? Now, let's go back on daily. Because we get in the short reload zone here, we can consider this week retested now. Sometimes you don't get a proper EM. You just get a test of the short reload zone and then straight down. April was usually one of the best months for crypto. Will this time be different? I don't know. On average, I think 12% increase. I don't know exactly what will happen. I don't want to predict the market. I want to just take it level by level, play my setups and make money on the way. But seems like April was a good month. I saw someone posting on Twitter, something like that. Yeah, this is it. You can see April average 12%. And look at a lot of green here. Will happen? Will be a green month? Well, from these levels, it's not hard to be a green one, I think. And I don't know, this chart is for Bitcoin or is for crypto in general. It doesn't say. But from these levels, people, it's not hard to get a 12-20%. Come on. Especially on altcoins. Now, let's look at ES a little bit. And look how nice ES. You can see EM. We had the big EM in the top on daily. We put the house level and look where we stopped. We bounced and we get back down here. Look at the gap. It's up to you, but you can see the gap. This gap will be retested. If we'll zoom out, you know I have this uptrend channel. We are kind of in the middle of the channel. Next level it's 4669, which is close to $5,000. It's possible. Yeah, it's possible. We kind of see that already. Well, this is the AB now. And if you take this one and you put CD, well, there you go. Close enough. And then we have the palm chaser zone from a lot lower level, yeah. From this, 2022, October 2022. And this is the palm chaser zone. A 20% retracement for a up-only market in a bull market. Because against dollar, it's a bull market. Nothing unusual. People will get despaired. Well, every time it's going down. And actually, that will be the last part of the move and market will push higher. And you'll see when we'll get close to this level, you'll see Warren Buffett and other motherfuckers buying, yeah? You'll not see next day because they don't have to report the next day. But you'll see next month what they bought. Yeah? Will be a bit late, too late. That's why you need technical analysis. But you'll see them. When the market will reach this area, you'll say, well, fuck it. Let's invest back. But that's a different story. It's not crypto. Yeah? It's crypto related also. Okay, Bitcoin on CME. well, all over the place, but actually going sideways, no? Still between gaps. Nothing burger. We'll see. We'll see what will happen. Total market cap range going sideways. I still consider that it's fighting $3 trillion. Just we are below for the moment. Altcoins, shitcoins. Well, people, what I could tell you about shitcoins. Let's take the first one here. Testing the lows. You want to be sure that you are buying almost the bottom. Wait for a weekly W, man. Wait for a fucking weekly W. Will take some time to form, but at some point will form. If you want to protect your capital, and if you are more, you're not too aggressive. You'll say, well, I want to invest, but I want at least to have some conviction that will push higher. Well, wait for a weekly W. Simple. Will form at some point in time. We had big weekly Ws. Got destroyed. No problem. I bought here. You think I'll buy the next weekly Ws? If I have money, yes, of course I will. Similar with alpha, similar with alt. If you want to dollar cost average and you don't need weekly Ws, well, I think you have a good level. Yeah. Similar here, similar here. So, if you are protective, you say, well, I have some money. I know, for example, Ken is not touching the market yet. Well, Ken could wait for weekly W. Say, well, give me something. If you want me to invest my money, give me a weekly W. Until then, I'll relax. I'll wait on the sidelines. It's my money. I do whatever I want with it. Some people will say, well, I don't want to wait. I will dollar cost average. Small amounts. And I could go on the entire list. For example, a bit stronger than the rest. A bit stronger than the rest is AVAX here. If I'll see a W on daily, I think I could take this one. Not too much. Why? Because I have this trend line and I prefer an LJ here. So trend line breakout. I want market to go the other side of the trend line and then give me a W. That will be the best one. But if I'll see a W here, well, I could attempt something. Until then, no. Let's take a look at the requests. We have any requests for the moment? Well, good morning, good morning. Hey, Menace. Well, bullish divergence on RSI and OBV, tag life doesn't make me a setup. Show me a 4-hour daily W on Litecoin and then we can talk about it, okay? Even if you are thinking a setup, 4-hour chart, well, you need location. Okay, you have location. Second, you need bullish divergence on one of the indicators, RSI, MACD, but I prefer RSI, especially OBV. Confirm bullish divergence. Yeah? Until then, you don't have anything. And after that only you need a market structure. You need a W. When you have all three of them, we can talk about it. Until then, you need to have something else. Huh? You know what you need to have? Well, you need to have patience. Okay, Bera. We'll get to that one also. Yeah. Bera, we'll talk about Bera on lower time frame. And we'll get there. So altcoins bounced a little bit, but nothing burger. The 3% for an altcoin after they got destroyed is nothing. On higher time frame, let's talk about TIA. Really nice location, people. I could see one low, two lows, and this to be the third low, depending what Bitcoin will do. If Bitcoin will not dump from here, okay. If not, watch out for the SFU levels. Yeah, this one is first 2.6 and then 2.3. If you want to play a setup on 4-hour chart, well, then you have location already. You have this big one, you have a smaller one. Now let's go on 4-hour chart and see indicators. Potential bullish divergence on RSI. You are here, Bucur? You are a fan of TIA. Nothing on OBV, but on RSI you have a potential one. So a lot of patience until this motherfucker will confirm. Okay? To confirm this big one, we'll have to put all the way up here. There you go. And after you have the indicator confirmation, you have the big W confirming here, bullish divergence, then only then you can go and look for a W. For the moment, you only have a good location. Also on lower time frame could be an AB equals CD to the downside here. You can see AB and CD. It's a good level to watch. It's a good level to hunt. But until you pull the trigger, I think we need to wait a little bit more. Okay? Good morning, Stefan. Good morning. Now, let's take a look at anything else what we have here. SSV. Well, we attempted. We tried. Some managed to put the stop loss as crash, some didn't. I think we had ENA, similar, we tried. That's why, if you remember, I said, I don't want to load too many longs. Why? I don't trust this market. It's not ready yet. And look what happened. If we had, for example, 10, 15 trades with 1% risk on the same idea, different markets, okay? What do you think will happen with them? Everything will hit the stop loss and we'll have a 10, 15% loss on our account. I don't think you want that. No? So I attempted, but taking care of total risk. Well, Stefan, tell someone congratulate Stefan. Now he find a new place to sleep. Yeah? He's not sleeping at home because he's not quiet, but now at the gym. Nice thinking, Stefan. I like it. Now, that's the overview, people. That's the overview. Don't, in the same time, don't be bearish here. Come on, look at Ena. We need the Ethereum to start doing something. And maybe we'll push lower to the lows, but we should hunt W's here. Okay? We should hunt W's. 4 hour W's, that is the first sign. Daily W's, okay, they are okay-ish sign. You can, if you see a daily W, you can attempt, like we did here. Was a fake out. Well, so what? We'll attempt again next time. The risk reward is good enough. Yeah, the lower the better. So I'll take the next daily W if will be the case. But wait for the fucking W's. Think long. I don't want to hear anyone. Well, I will short. It's too late. It's too late. Here at the top, everyone was asking for the longs where I could buy. I told you to buy lower. Now everyone is thinking short. Okay, I'm okay with the public doing that. 90% of the people doing that. But you, here in Crypto Traders Arena, you are not allowed to do stupid mistakes like that. So think long, but be patient in the same time. Wait for W's. I posted this trade for everyone. Yeah, I took the stop loss, you took the stop loss. But I didn't post it 100 trades to destroy your account. So, we took the stop loss. That's why we have a stop loss. Took the stop loss. Now, wait for the next fucking W. Could come here? Yes. Could come all the way down at the lows? Possible. Maybe take the lows also? Yes. So, wait for the W. I don't want to hear people, well, I want to short. If you are not a scalper, like me, Stefan, and other people, you are not allowed to think short anymore. It's too late, especially on altcoins. Hey, Alex. And you find a bed, Alex, at the gym? Or on your gym is not, you don't find beds? Stefan managed to find one. Or a bench or something. That will be funny to watch. Okay. So, the conclusion is clear. Be patient, but think long. Don't be the public. Don't see the ES dropping after the ES dropped, and well, we'll go to zero. When you think that, Warren Buffett and other motherfuckers will buy from you. Or other people like you. So decide what you want. Plan, make a nice plan. Okay, I'm blabbing away too much. Let's go on a lower time frame. Yesterday, a stupid trader, you know that trader? Anyone knows that trader that told you, well, Liberation Day should be SFU, an SFU, an SFU, an SFU levels. Because they all take the liquidity. Look what happened. They pushed the market all the way up here. Almost. Yeah? We had some liquidity here. I was waiting here with a big SFU. If they manage to push the market there, well, that will be a juicy level. Well, never did it. We had the shark in the market way before the market reached that point. So we made some money. Some people probably still have that trade. Overall, on 4-hour chart, I still have the shark long. And I will pay attention on the SFU levels here. They are valid SFU levels. That's why, people, you should not trust the market in events like that. You can see? Look what happened yesterday. If you have a journal, put it in your fucking journal. If you don't have a journal, buy a journal and put it in the fucking journal. Because 3 months, 6 months, 1 year from now, 3 years from now, you will not remember. And when you'll have a similar situation, you'll fall in the same trap. Yeah? So people, learn. Now we are back in the long reload zone. What the fuck is that? Okay. Come on. Let's adapt a little bit. Okay? I managed to fuck it up. There you go. I posted this trade on general chat. Okay? You took it. You didn't took it. I talked about SFUs. Someone said, well, we managed to escape the stop loss. Yeah, pretty close. But a setup is a setup. I'm not, after I enter the trade, I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting. I stopped thinking when I put the trade in the market. So we had a nice win here. Now, what we can do now? Well, we can think long. If you'll see 4 hour, we are on 4 hour, if we see W's. I don't see any W's for the moment. I don't see anything special. Yeah? I see a bullish divergence here. You can see it? Before the pump. But that bullish divergence is played out already. Now I don't see anything. 1 hour. I'll go on 1 hour. Nothing. Nothing on OBV. Nothing on 2 year size here? I think 2 year. You get the idea. So nothing for the moment. Good location, but I need a clear W. Most probably will fuck around and could have an AB equals CD. It's possible, people. So AB equals CD to the downside, which will be aggressive, but we are waiting there. Yeah? We are waiting with a shark. The order is in the market. The shark is at the same level because we didn't took this high, so this low and this high is still valid, and we are waiting at that level. Hopefully some of you made money on this dump. Hopefully. If not, all of you. Ethereum on 1 hour chart. Yeah, Ethereum is weak, so it's okay to hunt short ideas. No? What do we had? We had a nice location from this level. We had an inverse head and shoulder. We played that one. Risk free here. Close 50% here. Huh? And I got short here. How? Not on 1 hour chart, that's for sure. But I made nice money. 3 to 1. I cannot complain. But I scalped aggressively in the pump. When everything was pumping here, I saw the SFU and I said, fuck it. Well, I'll let you tell me why I took that level. I posted on general chat already. Breakout, breakdown, reclaim, retest of this level. That was the perfect entry. Not the best risk to reward, not the 3 to 1. For a scalper, it's kind of 2.5 because, you know, Binance and a lot of fees. You get the idea. But I managed to make some money. Now, back on 1 hour. What happened, it's already happened. Let's see what we can do from now on. That's why we are here, to plan the next moves. Exactly like on Bitcoin. Let's wait for W's. But because this one is weaker than Bitcoin, I think it's better for us to wait. For some potential SFUs here, okay, you can take a W if you want. But overall, if you zoom out, I think we need more. I think we can even take this low. The SFU I want to pay attention on Ethereum is this one. 1753. Okay? That's my level. That's the level I want to pay attention. If I'll see a reclaim, I will attempt a long. If not, well, look at the house level from the top. Stopping here, no. You can see this one was at the retest respected, and that's it. 4669, really well respected here. And the next one is all the way down here. SFU here, I'll play it if I'll get something. Head and shoulder pattern did his job. We got 1-to-1 on the entire head and shoulder. So this pattern worked really nice. I was a bit of a greedy goblin waiting for the market to push all the way up here. Yeah, I was. But the target for the head and shoulder was, let's deactivate this one, was reached. Okay, so that's, can you see it? Look at it. We reached the target for the head and shoulder pattern. So we made money. I posted this trade long before entry or after my entry, but you had the chance to play it here. A lot of people made money with this trade. This one I didn't post, it was too fast, was 1 minute. I was just before the sleep and I said I'll take it on lower time frame and go to sleep. Now wait for a W here. We have a long reload zone. We cannot say we don't have it, but it's so weak that I don't want to play it too much. Now wait for a W or SFU, that will be the second best. Simple as that. Someone said Ondo on 4-hour chart. Well, I'll take this template for Ondo because I want to see the bigger time frame. Ondo. Well, what? I think KuCoin, it's a good one. On daily, nothing special. Nothing special, Andrei. Okay? On daily. But in the same time, if I'm thinking this low and this high, because yeah, we had an AB equals CD and we can draw a line from here to here, swing low, swing high. Well, we have a long reload. We're at 78.6. Good location. But give me something else about that. 4-hour chart, okay. Nothing burger. It's holding, but if Bitcoin will drop, you think this one will hold? So overall, I don't see why we should be aggressive here. It's going sideways, Andrei. Like everything else. And I showed you on higher time frame, I want as low as possible a daily W. Maybe even a weekly W. Good location, but no clear W's here. Okay? Hit the like button if you want. If you want to help us out, you can do it with reposting this tweet. Okay? You can repost this tweet. That will increase the community slow and steady. Why? People will see the live stream. Some of them, they'll like the live stream. serious ones could stay in our community. Yeah? You know, we don't accept all kinds of people. If it's a moon boy, is not behaving nicely, out. You know the drill. So that's about Ondo. Now, on lower time frame, on hype, for example. Well, we desperately need a W here. We had a nice pump. But let's go on daily. We had the pump. We had the dump. The long reload zone is not even valid anymore because we took this low. We definitely have a acceptable, good location. Give me W's. We need W's here. We don't even have bullish divergence, or not too many of them. We have a potential one on RSI. You can see it here. It's a potential one. But from potential until confirmed will take some time. 4-hour chart. Let's not be too ugly. Bullish divergence. We had something here. Now we don't have anything. OBV below EMA. I don't like it. You can see what's happening when OBV gets below 13 EMA. Yeah. An attempt here and back down below EMA. That's not a good sign. We can push lower, people. Wait for a 4-hour W. That's the best thing, the sharpest thing you can do. Don't go lower time frame, 1 hour. You will see multiple W's on 1 hour being broken down. Okay? Hey, Darren. So wait for a 4-hour W. Breakout and retest. Like, for example, this one. You had 4-hour W, breakout and retest, and you had a 2-to-1 here. You had a setup. You had something. You can make some money. Let me show you. Huh? That was the W. That was the stop loss. And you just hunted the 2-to-1. Okay? Perfect. Look at it. W, breakout and retest. You enter here or here, it's up to you. Even if you enter here at the same level. You had a 2-to-1. You took your money, took your profit, next bus. And you can see here in the top you had some EMs. Well, clear sign to get the fuck out. Now you need, again, W's. I know that I'm saying every 2 minutes W's, M's, but that's the basic pattern we should use, people. If I'll say fancy names, you think you'll be more profitable? I'm playing M's and W's. I learned that from Brian Beamish. Okay, something else, let's see. Jupiter, just breaking down. Huh? So, that's why you should not trust Cat Stambul. Huh? You remember Cat Stambul? Or you don't? Who remembers Cat Stambul here? And everyone being bullish. Well, they reduced the supply and will go to the moon. $10. Well, someone tell Jupiter to change the direction. He's going full speed, but in the wrong direction. Come on, look at it. Also, daily chart. Okay, we broke the lows. Maybe it's time to pay attention. Maybe it's time to hunt some W's when they'll come. I don't want to see people say, oh, short. Why? Someone said about Litecoin. What do you want to see on Litecoin? It's in the long reload zone. Nice location. Okay. I like it. Nothing special on indicators. Not for the moment. 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at 4-hour chart. I don't see anything special. I told you about this one. Yeah? W, a trade, the first attempt is W on 4-hour chart. The other side of this trend line. We are still kissing the trend line. Is the best friend. You can see. Tagging the trend line. W the other side of the trend line and you have a trade. If you want to invest daily, weekly W's, you don't have anything. Actually, you can take this low at 78 and you can push all the way down at $70 and there you can hunt for weekly W's. So, depending how low Bitcoin will go, Litecoin will follow. I don't see anyone talking about Litecoin or promoting Litecoin or saying something about fucking Litecoin. So wait as low as possible. Will pump? Well, probably yes. Will pump with everything else. Will be the best pump? Probably no. Like the last cycle, underperforming everything. Huh? You remember last cycle? No? From $50 to $400 and that's it. Everyone say, well, $1,000 Litecoin, yeah. And the second pump, well, yeah. Because nobody is talking about. Community is strong because there are a lot of people that have Litecoin. Yeah, was a fork of Bitcoin at some point in time when they started. But nobody is talking about Litecoin. It's a good network? Yeah. It is. Now, Solana. You remember Solana on 4-hour chart? We talked about this W here. Huh? I said, well, if you want to take it, it's there. Don't be greedy. Take a 2-to-1. And look what happened in the Liberation Day. Trump announcing the tariffs. They pushed higher here, 2-to-1. Hit 2-to-1 on the dot and kaboosh, down. Now, anything you can do on Litecoin? No. Honestly, I bought some Litecoin in this area. I sold some here. And when I saw yesterday, I sold everything. What I had as a swing trade or a position trade. I still have the investment on Solana. But I saw that, well, look at this ugly head and shoulder, ugly yam. They tried to push it here. They didn't succeed. 135. It's good for an exit. Now, for a new setup, I need new W's, people. Tao. Everyone was bullish on Tao. Well. Never confirmed, closed above this neckline to confirm the inverse head and shoulder. Never. Yeah? On 4-hour chart. That was the idea, to confirm this shoulder, head, shoulder. Close above this level, the neckline, and that will be a confirmation and push higher. Well, seems like no. We broke everything. Now we need W's again. Nothing I can do here. TIA. We talked about TIA. Yes, on lower time frame, 4-hour chart. We have a small gap here. Well, we can push lower? Of course we can. Ripple. Bukur, I'm still short on Ripple. You are still long on Ripple because I'm still short on Ripple. Huh? You are here, Bukur? And I'll keep my short. Nothing I can do here. Yeah? I still have the trade. E-Gold. Making new lows. Huh? Motherfucker didn't want to give me $15. I have an intermediate order. I had a buy level at $20. I bought. I said I'll buy $15 and then $10 if it will be the case. I don't think I have a feel. I have to check, but no. I don't think I have a feel on $15. I'll wait. Probably I'll get my feel at 15. So even if I'm a trader and I use technical analysis for simple things, I use simple tools. Well, 20, 50, 15 and 10. Yeah? That's my level. Simple. And Bitcoin here we talked about. Yeah. Technically we behaved really nice. I don't know why people are so upset. Look at CME. CME is behaving better than the classic chart. We had pushing higher. Again 50-50 here on the dot, exactly on the fucking dot. Okay, pump chaser zone. We bounced from pump chaser zone. We took the highs here. Look at it. On CME, we took the fucking highs. SFU on CME. Who is playing Bitcoin on CME? You play this SFU? We have a gap now, another gap here between 86 and 85, $1,000 gap. We can push all the way back down in the long reload zone and then fill the gap, who knows. But it's behaving really nice from a TA perspective, really nice. Okay, I talked about 40 minutes. Sorry, Andrei, but I don't see a clear setup. The guy with Litecoin, sorry, but it is what it is. That's my 2 cents. That doesn't mean I'm right. That doesn't mean I'm a financial advisor. I'm just a stupid trader blabbing away on a YouTube live stream. Yeah. If you like the content, hit the like button, repost, bring your friends on Crypto Traders Arena. We'll try to teach them how to properly trade, not to lose money in the market. In this ugly environment, we made money, which is a good thing. VIP is open for 2 more days or until we'll reach 50 people. I think 4 or 5 places still available. DM Stefan for that. Don't be upset if Stefan will say you are not for VIP, because he's accepting people that know what they are doing. If he's not accepting you, that means you should not be on VIP. You are not good enough to even take the ideas there. If you don't have a good risk management, nobody could help. Sorry. So Moon Boys, don't attempt to join VIP because you'll just lose money faster. Premium, if you want to join us on Premium, it's still open. DM me. If you want to join Capua 1 to learn properly, that's a really good deal. To stay with us on 1 full year on Premium, 4 months program. You can DM me. We don't have a clear date when we'll start, but probably after we'll finish this program. Capua 1 people are learning this week general setup in Mountain Man and Shark, the combo. I think that's definitely the general setup, but I don't know exactly about the other one. Let me check. Yeah, general setup, Mountain Man and Shark. So that being said, people, let's call it a live stream. If you are a premium member, see you in New York. If you are a general member, see you tomorrow morning with the same live stream. Bye bye.